Everybody, Hunter 1930s original fan collector, etc. back with another video. And today, what you're looking at here is this Kichler Canfield silk fan. I'm doing another remake of it because why not? And yeah, this fan was originally for sale back then, but I took it off of eBay because it didn't sell. So I was like, screw it, I'm keeping it. So yeah, here we are. I have the fan in my collection to this day. So yeah, we're going to turn the fan on low. As you can see, it's got a decent low speed to it. It's got a little bit of hum, but not by much. Other than that, this fan's very quiet. The low speed is pretty decent, to say the least. And yeah, I got this fan at the Habitat for Humanity for $5, which is not bad. Very good deal, honestly. But, you know, I was originally going to sell it, but, you know, it's like, nah. It didn't sell because it was local pickup only, so, yeah. But I was like, since it didn't sell, so I'm taking this home anyways, so. Yeah, Kichler Canfields are childhood fans, but they are just very common. That's why I was planning to get rid of it, for that specific reason. And here's medium. And let me tell you, medium is pretty fast in my taste. The thing with this fan I don't really like is that the medium speed's a little too close to the high speed. But other than that, it's very functional. So the thing with that, the reason why I think that is because the start cap is pretty average. It's like 4.5 microfarad for the high speed, so, and medium 6. So that's why this medium is pretty dang fast in my taste. But yeah, it's moving a pretty good amount of air. Not as much as the Mariner, but this fan's got a 172 by 20 millimeter motor with a 14-degree blade pitch, so it definitely throws out a pretty good breeze. And high speed. And when I get back home, I plan to up the start cap a little bit and drop that cap for the medium speed, so I can get a nice medium, not like an abomination medium that's way too fast. But it is throwing out a ton of air, nevertheless. Not as much as the Mariner, but I feel like this fan throws out a pretty good breeze. And we're on high. It's moving a ton of air. No slouch. And anyways, I'm going to take the camera up to show the airflow of the fan. And alright, now I'm going to shut the fan off. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.